So we have been joined by couple of the Indian fans जो हमारे रेस स्पोर्ट्स क्रिकेट के परिवार के भी सदस्य हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप इंडिया में कहाँ से हैं और यूके में अभी कहाँ रहते हैं और मैच थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए.
हम लोग दोनों मुंबई से हैं.
अच्छा.
और अभी यहाँ पे 5 साल से जॉब कर रहे हैं.
ओके.
सो वी हैव बीन लिविंग हियर इन द यूके सिंस 5 years नाउ.
ये 5 साल यूके में है, लीड्स में है. यू नो द कंडीशन बेटर देन अस. क्या लग रहा है, क्या कितना डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है, कितना डिफिकल्ट चैलेंज होगा इंडियन टीम के लिए आज?
5 साल से हाँ लीड्स में नहीं है बट
Yeah.
वेदर अक्रॉस द यूके इज गोइंग टू बी द सेम. बट यहाँ का वेदर अनप्रिडिक्टेबल होता है. बट लुकिंग एट दिस टुडे सन इज प्लेइंग अ पीकाबू, तो आई थिंक it should be difficult. I mean, because the ball would move because of the wind, not specifically because of the rain, but because of the wind, the ball would move. That is going to be a challenge. But I think KL Rahul and Karun Nair are really capable of coping with that. And if they both stay and get us around 300, 350, then I think we have a good chance to win this.
So for 303 target of 300, 350, India need to score 250 more runs.
Yes.
What should be India's approach? Whether they should play the wait and watch game, or do you think that they can go after the bowling, because in these kind of condition you never know which ball will get you out?
Until the lunch, I would expect them to play the wait and watch game. Once the lunch, एक बार वो पहला सेशन खत्म हो जाता है ब्रेक के बाद, I would want them to accelerate a bit. Yes, we have lost 2 wickets, early wickets yesterday, but that doesn't stop us because we have got a batting depth up until Shardul. Shardul has not been able to perform much with the bat, but I would expect him on these conditions now, since the sun again has come out, you can see, I would expect him to bat much better. And like anything, like he can do, he can start, I mean, we can accelerate after the like the second and the third session के time पर we should be accelerating.
बट ऋषभ पंत का भी एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर होने वाला है. और ऋषभ पंत आपको अगर देखेंगे ऐसे कंडीशन में, क्योंकि ही कैन काउंटर द बास बॉल अप्रोच, सो हाउ विल दैट मैटर?
I think Rishabh Pant should play his natural game because he is the one who can be the best in these conditions when you are trying to accelerate. But the other players can play around him and support him. Like KL Rahul can stay up till the end, and Rishabh Pant can take the aggressive approach, because even that will take a toll on the mindset of English cricket team as well.
Thank you guys, thank you, cheers.